Screen share audio not working on Discord? We have you covered. Here are 3 ways you can fix it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. This way you can stay connected with us and get quick help with your future tech issues. Now, let's get started. Method 1. First, make sure that you have selected the correct screen sharing option. Open Discord and select the voice channel. Click on the Share Your Screen icon from the bottom. Select what you're going to share from applications or screens. If you select screens, then Discord won't share your audio. So select applications and then select the correct app. Now you will find the audio is working. Method 2. The next thing you can try is disabling the experimental method to capture audio feature on Discord. Click on the gear icon from the bottom. From the left pane, select Voice and Video under App Settings. Scroll down till you find Screen Share option. Under that, make sure that Use an experimental method to capture audio from applications is turned off. Method 3. If the earlier methods don't work, first reboot your PC and then open Discord user settings. Click on Registered Games. Now add the application that you're trying to screen share. Click on the Added button. From the drop-down menu, select the application and click on Add Game option. Exit Settings and you now select the application in screen share and go live. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quicker solutions to all your tech issues. Join our Facebook group where you will get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and always remember that we are here to help you out.